Welcome to this lecture on quartile deviation. It measures the spread of data around the median using quartiles. Quartile deviation, also called semi-interquartile range, is half the difference between the third quartile Q3 and the first quartile Q1. It focuses on the middle 50% of the data and is more robust to outliers than range. The formula is quartile deviation equals Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. Q1 is the median of the lower half of sorted data. Q3 is the median of the upper half. Let's calculate with this data set: 12, 15, 18, 21, 22, 23, 25, 28, 30, 32. With 10 values, Q1 position is 2.75, so between the second and third values, 15 and 18. Q1 is 15 plus 0.75 times 3, which is 18. Q3 position is 8.25, between the 8th and 9th values, 28 and 30. Q3 is 28 plus 0.25 times 2, which is 28.5. Quartile deviation is 28.5 minus 18 divided by 2 equals 5.25. So, the quartile deviation is 5.25. This shows the middle 50% spreads by about 5.25 units around the median.
In summary, quartile deviation is a robust and simple measure of dispersion using quartiles.
Thank you for watching this lecture on quartile deviation. Subscribe to StatWalk for more simple statistics explanations.